Yeah, bad DJ, my blood clot. You know name bad DJ, you never go to the class. I want to sell out the arena then. He might not sell out the arena. I want to sell out the stadium then. And he might do it everywhere and go. Look how much blood clot.
Kartel is not the king of the dance hall, nor should he want to be the king of the dance hall. Kartel is something more special.
We're so grateful. Wake up a second, Masicka give me a man. The man just go up there and start chat be a fucker, yeah, but he does say I don't even know the shoes where you have on. But
I don't want to boy jashii. I'm telling you now, when time I see me come, I'm forward and I do a video. I know what I talk say. See? So now Masicka and friend Vybz Kartel on IG and Kartel.
Bro, so man, not a kid. Not a goat kid, bro. When you don't reach goat yet, brother, and never start grow on yet, bro. And you can't even get a good serious buck. You get me, I say? No goat yet, brother. No goat yet, brother. Vibe and my father goat.
Some boy, your opportunist friend. Them can't trick me. I shot people that them fear sumfest. We can't tell us something. Mix me low.
Oh, nation, we're going to about Adrian back in the building with another episode. Oh, no, see a big drama going in a dancehall from reggae sumfest kick off. Masicka and Vybz Kartel going at it. Now, nation, how this all started is from the other day we noticed Masicka did a song called White. You see me, I say, and he aimed a couple lines towards Vybz Kartel. A lot of people did a question how I go on with Masicka and Vybz Kartel. They man a friend until Masicka and Vybz Kartel end up linking. Now we can see where Masicka came out mad at reggae songfest and said this, which caused a lot of controversy in a dancehall at the moment. Let's take a listen.
And I can't take the style thing, me a bad boy. Ready now, Jummy?
Clown them.
Hold on. I know what kind of boot that you have on. But me say them not bad like your shoes, lace. Them say crown and put out our corner for. Nobody, none of that. Hey, super. Me don't worry, you know you're trying different. After the house, they are making it different.
Nation, Masicka leaving a lot of people. I wonder how I go with him and Vybz Kartel after Masicka said that.
we're so grateful. Wake up a second, Masicka give me a man. The man just go up there and start chat be a fucker, yeah, but he does say I don't even know the shoes where you have on. But you see that little king thing there? You see you said that with you now. And that's why nobody now really hear from you, man. You're too corrupt. The last time you hear from your friend, girlfriend you sing to, no? You see me as my friend, why you never just come up, perform your few little tune them if you have tune and make people then hear you. Say you want piece of dancehall. You see me? I love and blood clot hip hop look like you for the pan, man. You are some little controversy thing you need for the pan, man. You see, you don't want to be a performer. You don't want to be an artist. Yeah, man, you just want to do it if you know for chat.
Now, nation, we can see where Masicka and Vybz Kartel unfollow each other on Instagram. You see me, I say.
I don't want to boy jashii. I'm telling you now, when time I see me come, I'm forward and I do a video. I know what I talk say. See? So now Masicka and friend Vybz Kartel on IG and Kartel and friend them and a friend them, them stop follow them one another. So we know say something played out at Sumfest. And I saw the music thing start now. That's why I say, we tell people, say, no running a people, bad man. So you see, all that little time you see in front of Masicka and have Masicka rare, and the youth glory him that try to take away. And we want Masicka, you know. We want your youth. And your glory him take away youth, and if you have sense, boy, you know what to do. Saying? And a message I go straight to Masicka. We're not idiot in a bad man. We're not idiot, you know. I did my life earlier and saw triple star and make we know say everything fine, everything good. Now we know say yo, the man them no good.
Now we can see where Irish and Chin take to his social media stating that Vybz Kartel name no need for a wrap up in them thing right now, cause Vybz Kartel is bigger than the king of dancehall, you know what I mean? Let's take a listen.
Kartel is not the king of the dance hall, nor should he want to be the king of the dance hall. Kartel is something more special than that. Follow what I'm saying to you guys, right? The king of the dance hall title does not bear Kartel any justice whatsoever. None. Because what he's been able to accomplish, right? With his impact on culture, with his music, with his brand. You know, Kartel is something that this industry has never, ever seen before. So a title that already existed in the industry cannot be something that should be assigned to Vybz Kartel, if that makes sense, right? This industry more than likely will produce another king of the dancehall. But how long do you think it's gonna take to produce another Vybz Kartel? It possibly won't happen because of all of the different qualities that he possessed as an artist, right?
Still willing to admit that our reggae and dancehall artists have to step up their production when it comes to big major shows. Nobody's willing to admit that some of our big stage shows are having production issues. So nobody...
Now, Nation, we can see where MC Nuffy takes to his Instagram stating this about Vybz Kartel and the whole situation backstage with Masicka. Let's take a listen.
To that Rasta boy there, that shot him out, bad man Rasta boy there when he chill. My son reached to him. Bad man. He's the most bad mind person I ever see. But now, what you worry about Kartel and bands for? Kartel don't need a bands. Dancehall start from clad music, vinyl from blood clad, whatever, record from clad. I don't know what's it name, because I don't even know. Turntable. See? And that's where it start from. Kartel no need no bands. Kartel had the bands long time. I mean, host every show, you know. I'm if you can talk, you know, because I host every show. I know about crowd, I know about crowd control, I know about everything when it come on to dancehall. Him no need no band. Kartel not have to use no band. Fuck band. You go like that, change no game. You know, say Kartel not use no band. I want to sell out the arena then. He might not sell out no arena. I want to sell out the stadium then. And he might do it everywhere you go. Look how much blood clot people come at Sumfest this year. When last Sumfest is 25,000 people. Our artists depend the last year and year before. I want to pull blood clot, not even 15,000, not even 12,000. I want to pull. Because Joe called me and tell me, you know, oh my God. But you can't sit down and talk about no blood clot about no Sumfest. Eh? Move on no blood clot and go, man. No bad mind, no blood clot. Poor blood clot you. Before you mind your own business. You get your little blood clot chance with silk bars. Eh? Look at hungry belly jashii. You get your little blood clot chance with silk bars. If you got a career in your hand, all you're interested in is to run back a man. PP pluck like a big artist to call you up on stage. Eh? You come and talk about king and this and king and that. Move your look up blood clot, fall back and go. Eh? Wanna know about dancehall? Wanna know about dancehall? You think it is easy for pass blood clot being the man and Kartel, sir? Laps him 3 times. And me say it again. He said after that Kenya, there will be no more king in dancehall. And me I promise you that. Cause you not do no blood clot work. You not work. You not work. After blood clot Kartel, no more king. Me know coming no dancehall. All I know we are sing and DJ. You don't know dancehall like oh no. Me not have to sing and DJ. Me know it. After Kartel, no more king. Cause the work of Kartel put on. You couldn't do that. You don't have more blood clot time to find work do. You don't have more time to find work do. You don't go work. Blood clot. Look how much love Mr. Kartel show Jashii when him come out. Look how follow back a blood clot. Follow back a people. Blood clot. Every tail you follow back a man call you on stage. And you get your career, if you take your career. And you say one year, say out of your mouth, tell boom boom, say you go like you're Nuffy. And Nuffy are the real MC, but that is not the problem with me and boom boom, nah, not at all. See, you're sure, you have a little thing about it. But you get your one and dash you away. Before you take the little clash with you and silk bar. That's just dancehall. And that you did for do. Instead of you that day today, them they even book you for doing a blood clot Sumfest, but you're going up there try disrespect. Real G. So all you know about Kartel work? Eh? You think it's a party shop get him to be the king? Eh? You think a party shop get Kartel being the king of dancehall? Eh? All of who did that chat up them mouth. You can't pass Beanie Man. Cause all no pass Beanie Man. How tell you so now king? Me look pound and tell you so now king. When I work for kingship, I think that's a king go. Over no blood clot, but now bad artist. Bad artist is my blood clot. When if you have bad artists can't have fan base. And have them fan base and control. When not left no mark, no way when no go perform. No way. When not blood clot left no mark, no way when no perform. Nobody not talk about when no perform. When no boring no blood clot. I want to know. I want to ramp with me general, you know. The man getting bumbo clad crowd, you know. I'm man of the pussy clad king. Cause uno no pass blood clad Beanie Man yet. And I laps Beanie Man 3 times in a game. And me know, I know Beanie Man are the people and the Beanie Man are the problem. Are the pussy them when I happy for car. You know how long me tell him that? Kartel a long time me tell you. Adi a long time me tell you. Adi a long time me blood clad tell you. Say them pussy will not like you. Me sure no Mavado try to wait right now for this Mavado Kartel tour. If Kartel no make no nice, it can't happen. If him not ready, it can't happen. Big up Muffy same way. But me just a try showing the fucking facts.
No, Nation, no time I want to think about what MC Nuffy has said. No time I'm thinking I come in box. Now we can see where Nico Fire takes to his Instagram stating that Vybz Kartel is not the king of dancehall because Vybz Kartel didn't get crowned by Yellow Man, Beanie Man, or Bounty Killer. Let's take a listen.
Vybz Kartel, them crowned the last night of the king of dancehall. We have to admit, when you come to prison, dancehall gates open up back to a different level. Arena full up on all these things. But your friend them get crowned. And I know enough people are going to vex over what I say, but I'm friend them crown him. And there's no way in history a woman can crown a man king. Whenever you're a woman crown a man king, Gracie, big up yourself. Spice, you know I love you. But me just have to put you one side now. Gracie, then set you up. Because there's no way in history a woman can crown a man king. But you don't know say on our work. Everybody have one link. You see, if I'm a Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Yellow Man or Shabba, come 4 of them turn up and say Kartel like new king. I just he my king for Joe them and sumfest. But he's not gonna be king for everybody. He might already the king for the Gaza people. Him. And Vybz Kartel is a very talented, me not take nothing from him. But you see the crowning thing there, them not do it good. A friend give friend, a friend crown friend. I'm not care who want vex over a truth, you know. That's why I ask the question, how come Joe have the power for crown people king? Because me know Shabba now co-sign that. Me know Yellow Man now co-sign that. And me know as much as me can talk for Bounty Killer, but me think Bounty Killer co-sign that neither.
Pussy do not up show. That's it. Me a grind fast, you a bubble slow. When you sit down for me, who that this and that me know.
Nation, no time when you think in a comment box about what Nico Fire say. You see me, I say don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And before we go, Nation, don't forget to check out this track called One For You by Anya. Your favorite platform. Where we get your music from?
Anya, representing for all the beautiful ladies. You're the one for me, and I'm the one for you. You're the one for me, and I wanna be with you.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say me appreciate you all on. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys, we out.
Bring rope. Tie you to me cocky for your short. You can't talk, you start sing.